Hi, this is Justin Bird with Ranney, Blair, Wideman. I want to walk you through some of the most common questions we get when it comes to your kitchen so that you can be confident in the decisions you're about to make. Who's a good fit for kitchens? Somebody that wants a full kitchen remodel. Somebody that wants to take their kitchen and develop it into something else. How do we take your kitchen and tailor it to the way you live? Do you cook a lot? Do you have kids? Do you have dogs? How can we make that kitchen fit to your life? Who's not a great fit for kitchens? Someone that's looking for that simple backsplash upgrade, or somebody that wants just the face of their cabinets redone, or, my cabinets really work, but I want to add an island. Sometimes there's a better fit for you there. So when can we start your kitchen? Well, typically your kitchen lead time is going to factor around how fast can we get your cabinets. Your cabinet lead time is going to dictate when we can start. Your kitchen is the hub of your home, so we don't want to tear up that kitchen until we know we can complete the kitchen. Kitchens typically take us anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks, just depends on what's involved in the process. How long does this service take? Well, it depends. How many layout changes do we have? What kind of factors are we moving that kitchen from taking a space that's another space currently? Is there something intricate that has to be templated, which takes us a little bit longer? But I would say our average kitchen time is somewhere around 10 weeks. How much does this kitchen remodel cost? Well, what kind of factors go into it? What are your cabinets? What are your countertops? What kind of areas are we affecting outside of this? Does this kitchen impact your flooring? Kitchens can cost us anywhere from $80,000 on the low end, very basic, to $260,000 full custom cabinets. It just depends on size of the kitchen, impact to other areas, your wants, your needs. So how can I prepare for my kitchen remodel? Think about your daily life. How does your kitchen play into your daily life and your daily routine? How can we take that kitchen and make it better for you? What have you seen on Instagram or Pinterest that sparks your interest? What do you like about your kitchen? What do you not like about your kitchen? And how can we incorporate that into a plan that works for you? So these are the most frequently asked questions when it comes to kitchens. If I haven't answered a question for you today, feel free to check out our website, pop into our showroom, or just give us a call.